So I got this random idea. I'm gonna make Biscoff French toast. We got some bread. I'm using whole wheat, our Biscoff, butter, a little vanilla. We got some heavy whipping cream. I got Splenda and cinnamon. And of course, you need eggs. Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and crack that first egg. Give that baby a stir. Add just a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Yes, I didn't know. I just had a random thought, y'all. Let's give it a try. Go into a little bit of vanilla. This is how I'm trying it this morning. I'm gonna add some cinnamon. Because you want to add cinnamon to your French toast. And I'm not using sugar. I'm going to use Splenda. 2 packs. There we go. And we're just going to blend that all together. So we're going to get 2 slices of bread. Y'all see it? Right there, right there, right there. Now I'm going to put some Biscoff butter into the bread. What y'all think? You think it's gonna be good? I don't know what to expect. I'm not gonna put too much of this up here. I may not like it, y'all. So I'm gonna put that right up there, like so. There we go. You see, we've got the Biscoff butter. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my mixture into the plate. Lay that in there. Just like so. Flip it to the other side. Yeah, baby, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead, give it a spray, followed by some butter. Some spray and some butter. In the pan. So we just want to get that baby nice and golden brown. I'm a little nervous about this one. This is ready. You'll see both sides nice and brown. I like mine toasty. Put her up here and we're gonna give her a try. All right, the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and slice this baby up. Ooh. Y'all, I don't know. All right, the last thing I'm going to do before I taste test my Biscoff French toast is I'm gonna put a little powdered sugar on it. The moment of truth. Let's give it a taste. Y'all, that's good. Make you some. That's delicious.